Hey guys, I had an issue with the 2008 Dodge Avenger. I know most of the Dodge it's a common problem with the AC. You see, I dismantled the whole thing trying to find out. But when you recirculate the AC, you hear a loud tapping noise. It sounds like, and I was hearing coming from two areas. One sounded over here, and it sounded like the other one was coming from up here in the dash. So after doing research, I could only find the answer for two of them, which is that right here. It's called the air door actuator. That's the part number. I figure it's a really common problem because they have these in stock at O'Reilly's and AutoZone. You could get them cheaper online, but if you're like me and want it done now, I paid a little bit more. And this is what this part looks like. So I replaced two of them. There's actually three, and I happen to find out because after doing a lot of research, I found some guy saying there's actually three. So if you look, here's one right here. Disconnect this, has 3 bolts, one right here, one down here, and the other one back here. And it's that third screw out there, it's a pain in the butt. So what I did, I actually went to the point of removing the seat to get more room. There's actually another one. There's another one right here, which I was reading that you can actually remove one of these panels right here, but that one's fairly easy. Remove the seat. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4. Did it real quick. So I replaced those two, and I still had the same problem. I still heard the ticking noise. I dismantled all the dash trying to figure out where it was coming from. After removing this panel right here, which it's this one, just be real careful removing it. I actually found it. Let me see if I can get down in there. See it? That's the third one on the driver's side. 2 screws, if you can see them right there. And they're all the same part. So what I did is the old one that I removed from that side, I replaced. This is the one that was the driver's side that was clicking. Let me see, let me take this one apart real quick. So when you take it apart, you can see the gear broken. So that's what the clicking noise you're hearing. Pretty sure you could find these little pieces online even cheaper and just replace that instead of having to replace the whole thing. So the little gear comes right out. But yep, that was basically, that's the basic fix for it. So there's a third one if you and they're all the same part, so let me know what y'all think.